Hello everyone, I'm Ava. Today we are stepping into the future of Italian engineering. This isn't just another hypercar. This is the Angelelli Automobili 91x. Designed by Davide Angelelli, this machine represents a radical departure from traditional automotive design. It's a vehicle born from the clouds, utilizing aerospace technology to redefine how we perceive speed, grip, and structural integrity. At first glance, the 91x looks like a fighter jet for the road, but as we dive deeper, you'll see it's much more than an aesthetic exercise. Underneath its sculpted skin lies a world-first engineering marvel. The 91x features a monocoque frame where the critical nodes are entirely 3D, printed in titanium. This biomimetic structural design eliminates the need for welds or bolts in high-stress areas, resulting in a chassis that is incredibly light yet stiffer than any conventional supercar. By mimicking the growth patterns found in nature, Angelelli has achieved a strength-to-weight ratio that was previously thought impossible. Every curve of this frame is optimized for one thing: survival at speeds exceeding 400 kilometers per hour. Now look at those surfaces. The 91x is the first car to feature what Angelelli calls a living body. It doesn't just have a moving rear wing, the entire surface of the car is active. Using a complex system of electronic actuators, the body panels themselves subtly shift their shape to optimize downforce or reduce drag in real time. Whether you are braking into a sharp hairpin or accelerating down the Mulsanne straight, the 91x is constantly communicating with the air around it. This eliminates the need for massive, unsightly spoilers, maintaining a clean, futuristic silhouette while generating over 1,600 kilograms of downforce. The heart of this beast is as impressive as its skeleton. The 91x is powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with a high-performance hybrid system, delivering a combined output of 1,350 horsepower. With all-wheel drive and advanced torque vectoring, the 91x rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a staggering 2.1 seconds. But it's not just about straight-line speed. Thanks to the mirrorless camera system and the digital cockpit, the driver is fully immersed in the experience, feeling every bit of that power through a yoke-style steering system that offers surgical precision. The Angelelli 91x is a testament to what happens when you ignore the rulebook and follow the laws of physics instead. It is a fusion of 3D, printing, aerospace aerodynamics, and Italian soul. As we see this machine push the boundaries of what is possible on four wheels, one thing is certain: the hypercar landscape has changed forever. I'm Ava, and I want to know, is this the most beautiful piece of engineering you've seen this year? Let me know in the comments. Blue skies ahead.